Hello. Today we are going to learn to wash our hands. Washing hands keeps our hands clean and healthy. Watch me first. Wet your hands. Put soap. Rub hands together. Rinse with water. Dry with towel. Look. Try. Clean. Now it's your turn to try. Ready? Wet your hands. Put soap on your hands. Rub hands together. Rinse with water. Dry with towel. Good job. Wet, soap, rub, rinse, dry. Nice work. Ready? Wet, soap, rub, rinse, dry. Great. Wet, soap, rub, rinse, dry. Super. Excellent. Last time. Wet, soap, rub, rinse, dry. Fantastic. You washed your hands 5 times. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are amazing at washing your hands. High five. See you next time. Wave goodbye.